standing outside. It's a camp day. We are camp the week here. It's the auditions. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, share, and comment and see what I video. Hello. Oh, them two black off mic.
You don't know video
So, excuse me.
No, so nice free.
Bye, love y'all. Clap the tea. Excuse me, Mr.
I know somebody. You never hear so much of them? Yes. You never hear so much.
Hey, when I was you, we are shut up. Just for the kid.
Show them your talent. Watch this.
Hey, we never see. We never see.
Poker boss! Easy enough.
When I stuck a wagon.
I don't want to go back to my ways, you know?
You done?
You know, I go back. Everybody know.
Alright. Pow. Guys, I'm gonna play. Yeah. From shore to shore. So guys, tonight is the night before JVSB season 13. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm gonna go and pick them here because my hairdresser. See clients two here. And client one. See client one only. Hey guys, so I'm gonna comb them here and get back to y'all. Hey, Mr. Pretty is a girl anyway. Mr. Pretty is a girl anyway. I'm best friends with him. I can see that video. Couple times. Just see that video. Oh, I'm so pretty. Imagine if I just to go like this. Eh? Come turn it. Yes, Jack. Turn it up. First time looking girly and all them shit there. How you feel? On the right things to decide.
gentlemen, welcome to C Down Radio, where great sound touches your soul. You're now locked into our live.
Channel, y'all know it's that girl Nia, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to the semi and the quarterfinals, and we're about to leave right now. And yeah, come along with us, you know. This is us getting ready. This is my best friend doing her edges. Okay, yeah. This is La Music over there. This is Danny Strings. Yeah, this is Nice Time. And over there we got we can't see no other one. And there I got Niandrew and nobody else, okay? Yeah, so let's okay. Oh, this is my fit, guys. Look at the fit.
And Lala, don't keep it. I'm going to tell Lala again. I don't remember.
Me want the one in the mat thing, but me have it up in the pencil and my rubber. Mats come, but the paper too. We make you die like flowers, die all like flowers. Yeah!
Resonance, crush them like ants.
The Resonance from the Camperdown High School, and they just delivered a wonderful performance. So I want to know, how was it preparing for the performance?
It was rigorous, that's for certain, as we were trying to prepare and we didn't have a good amount of time, but the hard work pays off. And
Yes.
Yeah.
And they did a wonderful job. So I want to know, how do you feel about the entire performance?
I think, well, I know the performance was great based on the reviews, but yeah, we did great.
You see that energy, you see that vibe. I really want to see them in the next round. So stay tuned and see if Resonance got through to the final.
Presented. I want to say that. Send that to me.